So we're just going to have some breakfast, have some coffee, and then we're going to head out. We're doing Mont St. Michael today as a bit of a break from all the World War II sites. So just to break it up a little bit and see something different. The sites that we saw yesterday, and even the day before, were absolutely astonishing and they're must see, but it can get quite World War II heavy, obviously. So it's nice to break it up. We're going to head there. We're not quite sure what we're going to do afterwards. Monday's our last day, so tomorrow really. So we're going to take that one a little bit easier. Try maybe finding some gifts for the family and not do as much riding and just chill out a bit more. So we'll see what happens today. But let's go have a look at Mont St. Michael.
And you never had this feeling. You shake your pulse, it's not the end, so just keep breathing. You're fading out, getting kinda hard to reach in. Just come with us and we'll show you how we live. Because we are so young. This world makes it feel like we can touch the sun. You're surprised, now you're hooking on the feeling. You catch a ride, burn a cig while you're speeding. You're running hard, never fast enough to beat it. Freedom calls only once or twice a minute. And we are so young. This world makes it feel like we can touch the sun. Torn between the world and looking for the answer. The book of life keeps on flipping pages faster. But you might just think the real can't defeat the dreamer. But one day you'll see the beauty of what we were after. Back then when we were so young. This world made us feel like we could. We are so young. This world makes it feel like we can touch the sun. And we are so young. This world makes you feel like we can.
Just come back from Mont St. Michael, something like that. St. Michel, I don't know, whatever it is. Extremely awesome, got to do it, but it is hectic, as you would have seen on the videos. So you can walk back to the car parks or the bikes, or you can get a free shuttle on a bus, which my brother's doing while I'm walking back. I've told him it's not a race, but it is, everything's a race, so I'm trying to get back quick before him. Yeah, I lost quite badly as well, maybe by about 10 minutes. Yeah, we won't tell him it was a race then.
Got my gas and ammo by my side. We're going 90 in a 65.
So we're on our last day here at the campsite. So we're having a chilled out one. But what I will do is show you around this campsite because it's actually a really, really good campsite. So I'll show you around, show you what facilities they have here, and give you some information. It is great. I'd come back again. Yeah, very worth it. So let's have a look. So this is the main area. You've got reception off to the side. They've got an information point in there for a load of leaflets and things like that. The restaurant bar, it does really good food, and they do like, basically it's just burgers, salads and or hot dogs. The beer and the cider, very good. Can vouch for that. Shower blocks and changing blocks and kitchen, but I'll show you that in a second. Swings when you're drunk. And then down here, I've not actually been this way, but according to the map I was given, this is a barbecue and picnic area. And so it is. So that's pretty cool. So we've got a bench on the side, or rabbit bouncing around, and a barbecue pit. Pretty cool, actually. I like that. See the sun's coming out, burning through. It's about, what's it now? Probably about 7:30 at the moment. All the pitches are up there, so we're up there again. Take you up in a minute. You've got caravans and motorhomes this side. They also go up around there behind the house, and then we're on grass pitches up to the right towards the exit. Probably so. He likes to play some motorbikes up there, so that we don't disturb people as much when we start up. So I won't obviously go in the shower blocks. The shower blocks are through there. Really clean, modern, water's hot. They're really decent shower blocks. There's even a games room in there, I'll show you that in a minute. Obviously the bar and reception aren't open yet, but again, decent food, decent drinks. Can play a bit of table tennis, sit down, there's a TV, you can see more caravans through there. It's like, got some kitchens, wash areas, got cutleries and all cooking sort of equipment, microwave, sink. It's very, very well thought about and considerate. Show you the games room, food table, pool table, darts, books, places to read, baby changing, washing machine and tumble dryer, only €4 each. And then down there's obviously toilets and shower blocks. So yeah, I'll show you up towards our pitch. So yeah, so we're coming up to our pitch. We're just up here, I'll show you that now.